Hey YouTube family, and welcome back to the channel. It's Asana Adventures checking in from the beautiful Carnival Vista. We are here on an 8-day voyage. I'm going to give you guys a few room tours today. Right now we're going to do a balcony room on deck 9, room 9 to 23. This room is going to be set up for a total of 4 people. So if you have a big family of 4, this room is ideal for you, especially if you love a balcony. Come on in. So when you come in, to the left of you is going to be your closets. To the right is going to be your bathroom. But let's just come in a little bit so we can see. Right here on the right hand side, when you come in, it's going to be your light switch. So they have this card that stays in. You don't have to worry about putting your key cards in. Just hit that switch and you're good to go. So on my right now is the closets. You have this hanging closet. We've been here for a few days, so everything is unpacked. It has this beautiful full-length mirror. It has storage at the bottom for shoes. If you have a dirty clothes hamper, you need to put that down there. Awesome. Plenty of hanging spaces. On this voyage, I kind of did bring my own hangers for my formal night. So if you want to do that, you can. But it's amazing. And then here you have another closet that gives you the option of 2 hanging spaces. So you have this bottom one and then you have this top one. And also back here is a shelf that you can pull down if you don't need all of the hanging space at the top. So it's great for stuff that isn't super long, or shorts or men's shirts that it's okay if they touch the bar. And then we just use this bottom one for our daughter's hoodies. And then the bottom, again, you can put shoes, dirty clothes hamper down there. Now this closet here, this is where you're going to find your safe. It also has 3 drawers and another little shelf there. This shelf we use for our snacks. And then we have another shelf up here that we use for clothes. So it's pretty convenient for when you have a larger family in this room. So we're going to go into the bathroom next. So the light is right outside the door. So make sure you flip that on. Also be careful, gotta step up. It's your standard Carnival room. It's your standard Carnival bathroom. So you have your shower, your hanging rod that we have out. You can see we bring our own body soaps. That's just something that we prefer to do, but you can use the Carnival ones. Your standard toilet, and then you have a lot of shelving in here. On both sides, 3 shelves so that you can have all your stuff. For the ladies that have to have their face beat to the god, you have your double-sided mirror that magnifies and one that's regular. All right, so let's step back out of the room. Like I mentioned, this room is set up for 4 people because it's my husband, myself, and our 2 children. So we have the bunk beds. This is the Pullman bed that comes down from the ceiling, and then the couch that turns into a bed. The first day we got here, my daughter was like, it's super hard. So we asked our room stewardess to get us an eggshell for her bed. So he put something on it to make it softer, which was amazing. You have your towel with your Carnival towels there. The thing I did like about this room as well, because we have our 2 girls with us, they have drawers at the bottom and they're really deep. So each of our daughters were able to put their stuff in the drawers. They go back pretty far, so your kids, you can put all their clothes in there and then, utilize that space. I love that. All right, so now we're going to swing over here. We have our vanity with the illuminating light for the mirror. 3 shelves. You can use it for whatever. We put our sodas, some card games. We had more snacks and candy, but our kids kind of went through it. You have your phone. You do have 1 regular outlet, and then you have 2 USB outlets. So what I did is I just got the, the dual outlet or multiple outlet to plug into here. So we have it's 6 total. So we have that. Then you have your standard Euro plug there. Love the mirror. Gives everything. Down here we have our refrigerator in this little cabinet. That's all that's there. You do have this drawer where you'll find your hair dryer. It also has a seat in case you need to pull that seat out to sit. Plenty of desk space. We have our bed set up as a king size bed, but if it's 4 people, 4 girlfriends, whatever in here, this king size bed can't convert into 2 twins, but we have ours as a king. Lamps on both sides. There's no outlets. The only outlets is over here at this desk, but it's lamps on both sides as well as end tables on both sides with doors that open. We have your, standard flat screen TV for Carnival, and then your mirror. And then we go out to what I love, a balcony. So we are at sea today, and it's raining because we have been going through the hurricane. They've been super vigilant on making sure that we're safe, and if we need to go around, we've been going around. So out here, pretty standard balcony, 2 chairs, your table. Of course, on both sides, it has the connecting balconies in case you are traveling in a group and someone's next door to you. You can open that up, make your balcony a little bit bigger. But yeah, this is our balcony right now. Like I said, it's raining, but it's beautiful. It's tranquil. Always make sure that you do pay attention to that step out, leaving out, and step in, coming back in. So guys, this was a room tour of room 9223 aboard the Carnival Vista. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or concerns, I am also a travel agent, and I can definitely help you book your next voyage aboard Carnival, Royal, wherever you want to go. I can assist you with that. I'll leave all my information in the link below, description below. And just, let me know. I am going to also do a few more room tours, so be on the lookout for those. Until then, peace.